This video illustrates sort options for pivot tables. There are more options than you might expect, but I will show only a few of them, the ones you are most likely to use. Specifically, I will show how you can sort on the labels in the rows and columns areas, and I will show how you can sort on numbers in the values area. I will again use the online purchases dataset for illustration. I have already created a pivot table with sum of total spent in the values area and several rows and columns fields. I will start by sorting on gender. It's currently in alphabetical order, but I'll reverse this. Note the arrow next to the drop-down arrow. This indicates that a sort has been performed. Surprisingly though, the arrow doesn't disappear if I return to the original sort order. Next, I will sort on region, which is also currently in alphabetical order. Because there are two fields in the rows area, I will select a region and then sort in Z to A order. Then I will return to A to Z order. Next, I will sort on purchase time. Unfortunately, neither the A to Z option nor the Z to A option sorts the times of day in the natural order I'd like: morning, then afternoon, then evening. However, I can drag items to get the order I want. The trick is to place the cursor at the bottom of an item cell so that it becomes a four-way arrow. Then it can be dragged. This changes the time of day order for all four regions. Now I'll turn to the numbers. Sorting when there are multiple row and column fields is tricky, and you'll need to experiment to understand the possibilities, but I'll show a few. First, suppose I'd like the bold grand totals in column D to be in decreasing order. I will select one of them, right-click, and choose More Sort options from the sort list. Excel realizes that this can be confusing, so it not only provides options at the top, but it explains the effect of the options in the middle. I'll change the left option. Now the grand totals are in decreasing order by region, and it is clear that the Northeast total is the largest. I'll undo this and try another sort. This time I will sort the values in column D corresponding to the times of day in descending order. Again, the dialog box explains what will happen. Note that the values in each region sort in the same order, evening largest and morning smallest. But this is just coincidence. To prove it, I will change one morning value in the dataset by a huge amount and then refresh the pivot table. Now the sort order in the West is different. As one last example, I will select any number in column B or C and sort in increasing order from left to right. This sorts in increasing order across genders, but only for that row. To show this, I'll sort on another row. As you can see, sorting on row and column labels is easy, but sorting on numbers is trickier. You will probably need to experiment to achieve exactly the sort order you want.